So here we have an iPhone 7 that I unfortunately broke a while ago while attempting to repair the screen and the battery. So I'm going to be attempting in this video to try and fix the screen and the battery again. So yeah, let's see how that goes. Let's get started. The first thing we gotta do is take the screen off this and basically disassemble it so it's just parts. Taking out the pentalobe screws on the bottom, we get to open the iPhone very easily because I have opened it before and didn't have it completely sealed. Next, we are peeling out the battery's adhesive strips because we're going to be not only replacing the battery but also replacing the screen. Okay, so I received a couple things in the mail. The first thing I received are new adhesive strips, which are going to basically seal the screen down for waterproofing, which you have to do in an iPhone 7, unfortunately. And then I also got this, which is the iPhone that I'm going to be stealing all the parts from. I am going to charge it up just to see for fun if it works. You see here, it actually did end up working. So, checking the battery capacity, you see it's 97. So, doing this process for the second time, we're taking out the pentalobe screws in order to open up the phone. Now, I'm going to use a hair dryer in order to heat up the adhesive on the phone so that I could get a pick under it and get under it. So, I actually cut out a lot of my struggle here because it took forever, but I eventually did get under it. So opening up the screen, we can start unscrewing the cover for the battery and the screen cables. There's also one more screen cable that we are going to have to get out. So after getting it out, you should always unhook the battery first because it can shock the screen and it can not work. It could screw up your screen. So taking out the Taptic engine here too in order to get the battery out because we need to get to the adhesive strips, and it is extremely hard to do if you don't get the Taptic engine out. You see that one ripped, so I used my tweezers in order to get under there and get at the adhesive strip. I recommend using something plastic instead of metal, but what I did work. Now, when transferring the home button cable, you have to be extremely careful because keep in mind, if you mess up the home button transfer, you lose home button functionality. So basically, your phone's home button won't work anymore, and you can't get it repaired anymore since Apple doesn't repair iPhone 7s anymore. Okay, so plugging the screen into the new phone. The old new phone, the jet black phone. You can see fitting the battery, and now we have enough parts connected to test it. So using iTest, which is a great tool made by Hugh Jeffries, everything did work. So I got to putting the adhesive on for the phone. See, it did take a while, but it did eventually end up working. So there you have it, an iPhone 7 with no working screen or battery, completely fixed up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A few more will be coming in the near future. Comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys again in the next video.